Hi everyone, this is Asif Iqbal. I'm teaching A Level Business in Bahria Town School and College Premier Campus since 5 years now. I have to discuss two things here. One, why to choose BTSC as a school, and second, why to choose business as a subject. The answer to the first question is not that simple. BTSC school, Bahria Town School and College is not just a school, it's a community. A community where we are trying to develop a generation that is skilled, having very strong characters. Characters that are based on the moral values that belongs to our nation. Secondly, we have generated some extraordinary results over the years. My own GPA in the last year from the A-level business was 4.36. That was still below than the accounting teacher. Thirdly, the teachers that belongs to Bahria Town School and College are very skilled and competent. All of them have experience more than 12 to 14 years. All of them are Cambridge trained certified teachers. All of them have been working in different renowned schools of Lahore, including BTSC. The answer to the second question, why to choose business as a subject in A-level, is simple. Whatever you do in life, you become an employee or you become an entrepreneur, you must have some basic knowledge of the business. You must have knowledge of developing business plans, marketing plans. You must have skills of management skills, administrative skills. You must have some knowledge of the financial management so you can plan your finances of your employees, finances of your business better as compared to your peers. That's all from my side. If you have any queries, you can always visit the campus. We are always here to facilitate you. Thank you very much.